Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. It's Carl over at ClearFlow Home Maintenance. Give me a second and let me turn this truck on, get this AC going. Because it's hot out there. I wanted to, let me lower this AC. I wanted to talk to you guys about if you're just starting out and you don't have any clients and you're scratching your head as to how to get clients. I want to talk to you about Groupon. Believe it or not, I know some of you might say, nah, Groupon, no. But let me tell you, if you don't have any business, you should be setting up a Groupon campaign, okay? Because your phone will ring. And as far as money, okay, you don't have to pay Groupon up front. They take it from the proceeds of the sale, okay? It's part of the sale, okay? And there's a percentage that you agree with them, and they will take their percentage, okay? And sometimes it's a pretty big percentage depending on your campaign that you create. But let's just talk gutter cleaning, okay? Typical gutter cleaning, in our area, we're anywhere from $300 to $400 for a gutter cleaning job. I know in other areas, other states, they're $150, but we'll just specific to my area, okay? And let's just use 300 as a number. You create a campaign for a one-story gutter cleaning job, say $300, and your campaign on Groupon would be 50% off, okay, for first-time customer. Okay, so what that means is it's going to be $150, all right? 50% off of $300 is $150, but keep this in mind. With $150, you're going to, out of that $150, you're going to give Groupon a percentage of that because they're the ones that are doing the marketing for you. Okay, they're going to be doing the advertising, the Google ads, wherever they promote it. That advertising is going to be at their expense. Okay, it's not coming out of your pocket again until you make a sale, complete the job, and then they'll get their percentage when the job is complete and you redeem the coupon, okay? But this is great if you don't have any clients, okay? And you're wondering, how am I going to get this business going? My truck is sitting in the yard. It's not making money. Set up a Groupon campaign, okay? So what? You got to give them 50% of your money, so you're only making $75 on a $150 gutter cleaner. Something's better than nothing, okay? And you have to look at the bigger picture, the bigger opportunity that's in front of you. You are now in front of a customer, which means you can upsell them on other services that you do, whether it's power washing, window cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, whatever services it is that you do, okay? If you're in the home service industry, I'm sure you do more than just one thing. But and so that's what you got to be looking at, because this is a one-time offer. They're going to get that special price, that Groupon price, one time. If you do a great job, they should become a raving fan, and you will get them every time. They'll keep coming back. Again, it's your opportunity to sell them on a maintenance package, okay? Whether it's twice a year for gutter cleaning or window wall, whatever service it is you're doing, create some packages so that you can upsell the customer, okay? Do a stellar job in the beginning and turn them into raving fans. If you're just sitting at home thinking, I won't go to Groupon because they take so much, and your vehicle and tools are sitting in the garage not making money, why? Why? Okay? Again, your truck on the road with your name on it gets the word out. And if you do a stellar job, again, look at the bigger opportunity, all their neighbors see you. Okay? You are being seen. And if, again, you do a stellar job, they will refer you. And again, the key is a quality job, not a wham bam thank you ma'am type of service. Okay, if that's you, this video's not for you, because we only do quality. That's why we charge what we charge. Okay, and some people might say, $300 for a gutter cleaning job. Well, I got news for you. We get them all the time. Okay, again, I'm in a different area than most, but and we service a certain clientele. Okay, there is no better time than now to start a home service business. If you're a young gun or retired and looking for extra money, this is the time. Okay, there are plenty of property owners, homeowners, and property owners that don't have the time to maintain their home, and they need us. Okay, remember that. They need you. Okay, you are a valuable service to them. Okay, because not everybody wants to get up on a gutter or climb a ladder to get to a gutter to clean it on a weekend after they've worked all week. Again, whether it's you're cutting grass, cleaning windows, or whatever. Hey, look, I get it. As a homeowner, I work all week. The last thing I want to do is come home to work. Okay? And that's where you come in. So if you don't have any clients and you're struggling, consider Groupon. Okay? Give it a whirl. See how it works for you. It works for us. Again, it's set it and forget it, and they do the marketing, and when they come in, we already know, okay, we're not going to make much on this, but we know what we're doing. We're going to upsell them. There are other services that they need, and that's where we come in. All right, so if you guys like this kind of content, just type in the comment section below yes, and we'll continue to create this type of content. Again, we're wishing you guys all the best. There's no better time than now to get into the home service industry, and we're wishing you all well, and take care. Peace out. Talk soon.